Hey friend, what if you could change the way your brain works just by sitting quietly for a few minutes every day? It sounds almost too good to be true, but science has shown us that meditation has a profound effect on the brain. Whether you want to reduce stress, improve focus, or just feel happier, meditation could be the answer. Today, we're going to dive deep into how meditation rewires the brain, exploring the science behind this ancient practice. Stick around because the changes might surprise you. Section 1. What is meditation? So, what exactly is meditation? Meditation is a practice where you focus your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, usually your breath, to train attention and awareness. While it's often linked to ancient spiritual traditions like Buddhism and Hinduism, today, meditation is widely used for relaxation and stress management. Types of meditation. There are several forms of meditation you might have heard of, such as mindfulness meditation, transcendental meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and body scan meditation. Each of these has a slightly different focus, but they all aim to center your attention and bring you into the present moment. Section 1. The science behind meditation. Before we talk about how meditation affects the brain, let's first touch on something called neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. The cool thing about meditation is that it taps directly into this ability, essentially training your brain just like you would train a muscle at the gym. Section 2. Meditation's effect on different parts of the brain. 1. Prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, self-control, and concentration. Studies have shown that people who meditate regularly have a thicker prefrontal cortex, which can lead to better focus, more self-awareness, and improved emotional regulation. This means meditation helps you stay calm under pressure and makes it easier to concentrate on difficult tasks. 2. Amygdala. The amygdala is the brain's emotional control center, particularly when it comes to fear and stress. Meditation actually shrinks the amygdala, which reduces your reactivity to stress. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed or anxious, meditation can help calm those intense feelings by reducing activity in this area of the brain. 3. Hippocampus. The hippocampus is key for memory and learning, and regular meditation has been shown to increase the volume of this part of the brain. What does this mean for you? Better memory retention and a greater capacity for learning new things. 4. Default Mode Network (DMN). The DMN is a network in your brain responsible for mind-wandering, self-referential thinking, and the ego. Meditation helps to quiet down this network, which is why meditators often feel more present, less caught up in their thoughts, and more connected to the world around them. Section 3. The benefits of meditation for the brain. 1. Stress reduction. One of the most well-known benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. By shrinking the amygdala and quieting the DMN, meditation lowers the production of cortisol, the stress hormone. This is why you often feel calmer and more relaxed after meditating. 2. Enhanced focus and attention. As we mentioned earlier, the prefrontal cortex thickens with regular meditation. This has been proven to improve your ability to focus on tasks for longer periods of time. In fact, studies have shown that just 10 to 15 minutes of daily meditation can lead to better attention and even help with conditions like ADHD. 3. Emotional regulation. Meditation helps you become more aware of your emotions, and by rewiring the brain, it teaches you how to react to them in a more balanced way. You may notice over time that you're less likely to get caught up in anger, anxiety, or frustration, and instead approach situations with a sense of calm and clarity. 4. Improved memory and learning. By strengthening the hippocampus, meditation can actually improve your ability to remember things and learn new information. Imagine sitting down to study or work and finding that information just sticks better. That's the power of meditation at work. 5. Better sleep. If you've ever struggled with sleep, meditation could be the answer. By calming the nervous system and reducing stress, meditation can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to more restful nights. Section 4. Brain waves and meditation. When we meditate, we actually shift the types of brain waves that are active. There are 5 main types of brain waves: beta, alpha, theta, delta, and gamma. 1. Beta waves, active thinking. Beta waves are present when we're engaged in active thought, problem solving, or conversation. These are the waves that dominate when you're focused on your work or stressed out. 2. Alpha waves, relaxed state. Alpha waves come into play when we're in a relaxed but awake state. Meditation increases alpha wave activity, which is why you feel calm yet alert after meditating. 3. Theta waves, deep relaxation. Theta waves are associated with deep relaxation and meditation. They occur during that half-awake, half-asleep state and during REM sleep. When you meditate deeply, theta waves increase, leading to profound relaxation and creativity. 4. Gamma waves, heightened awareness. Interestingly, advanced meditators show increased gamma wave activity, which is linked to heightened awareness, compassion, and perception. This is why monks or long-term meditators are often described as having a deep sense of clarity and connection to the world. Section 5. Long-term meditation effects. 1. Slowing brain aging. Regular meditation has even been shown to slow down the natural decline of the brain as we age. Studies have found that long-term meditators have more gray matter in regions of the brain linked to decision-making and working memory, which suggests that meditation could be a protective factor against age-related cognitive decline. 2. Emotional intelligence and compassion. Over time, meditators become more emotionally intelligent. This means they're better at understanding their own emotions and empathizing with others. Practices like loving-kindness meditation, or metta, are especially good at fostering compassion and kindness, both toward yourself and others. Section 6. How to start meditating. Simple meditation technique for beginners. If you're new to meditation and don't know where to start, let's go over a simple mindfulness meditation technique. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Focus on your breath as it moves in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. That's it. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. Conclusion. To recap, meditation doesn't just make you feel calmer or more focused in the moment. It has a lasting effect on your brain. It changes the way you process emotions, improves your memory, enhances your attention, and even slows down brain aging. If you haven't started meditating yet, now's the perfect time. Just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Leave a comment below and let me know if you're already meditating or if you're just getting started. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.